Now, how you can make your first $500 per day profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing or any other affiliate network using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, I'm talking about Google in this video. The reason why Google pay-per-click ads work in 2025, besides other networks out there such as Facebook ads or TikTok ads, the reason why is because with Google we are focusing only on buyers intent. You see, my friend, as you watch this video, we are looking basically for buyers. Now, as you can see, those are the results promoting low ticket, meaning products that cost all between 37 all the way to $100 per sale. Okay, so that's your affiliate commission. Now, why this works so well is because of this. Let me show you over here. Right, you can see when you're buying courses on affiliate marketing, what no one else tells you is that the biggest problem when you're running ads on Google is this: most pages, most pre-sale pages on ClickFunnels, they don't create intent. There is no buyer's intent. What do I mean by that? You see, if you only get curiosity, meaning a lot of clicks, lots of people clicking on your ad and then going to your pre-sale page, what is happening is there is no intent. There's only curiosity upfront, meaning you catch a lot of fish upfront, but just at the end they're gone back to it, right? You don't keep them. The same thing is here. You're getting a lot of clicks and then no sales at the end. And the reason why, again, is because there is zero buyer's intent. Now, there are two reasons why people go on Google. One of them is they get educated, right? They want to find something more about the problem they're dealing with, some solution, and to buy the product. That's it. Only two reasons someone goes on Google search, right? So what we are doing, we are targeting people by long tail and short tail keywords, positive and negative keywords. Very important, right? When you're running ads on Clickbank for, I don't know, weight loss supplements, manifestation, law of attraction niche, self-help, or dating in a relationship space, right? Doesn't matter. The same principles apply to fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Very important, right? As you can see over here, let me show you. Okay, this is one of the students, right? Results: $6,570 in 4 days with only 567 ads spent, right? So very high return. Why? Because once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, you will be able to finally realize, okay, the system can allow you, it will allow you to start getting results working only 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay, because you are leveraging Google ads in this case, right? So let me show you an example, right? Let's say, right, over here we have someone clicks on your ad on Google. Great. Now what is the next step? They go to the one-page site, which can be a quiz funnels. Again, it has to be functional. There is deep layer of psychology, buyer's psychology behind it. You cannot just create a simple one-page funnel and hope it converts. It doesn't work this way in 2025. That's why you need someone who can help you set it up correctly. Okay? Let's say we have a $37 entry-level front-end product, right? So it's built to trigger impulse purchases. Those are all impulse purchases, right? Those are people who will just swipe their credit card on a $50 to $100 products online, digital products in this case, right? And then once that happens, the first sale, there are going to be upsells up to $200 or even $1,000. Yes, on Clickbank, you can earn more than $1,000 per sale as an affiliate. Okay, so there's all in the upsell take rate. Now the next thing over here, as you can see, is most gurus on Clickbank or courses, they teach you to create a simple, ugly, weird landing page that you create. Again, lots of curiosity, lots of curious people without buyer's intent. There is no sales. It's a mismatch. It's a big mismatch. Okay? So you need message to the market match. That's very important. It's simple and easy once you get a bigger picture. Once you have someone who can help you along the way. Right? As you can see over here, what we do is we pick the best product for you that's actually proven to convert, to make sales. Then also done for you affiliate website, which is very important to have it set up correctly and guide you step by step along the way. Okay? That's what actually matters, because people are glued to their phones 24/7, right? So the question is, are you going to take leverage and advantage of that to make money for yourself in 2025 as an affiliate, of course, without showing your face? Now let me show you an example. Let's say you have spent $35 in a day. Let's say on Google Ads in this case, right? Let's say you got 10 clicks, or let's say 100 clicks. And for the case of this example, for the purpose, let's say you get only one sale. So one customer buying the whole funnel, meaning they buy the front end, I don't know, for example, ebook for $37 and then extra $180 upsell. Okay, so in that case, you are making $181 in a day from one sale, only one customer buying entire funnel. It's always the case. One person out of, I don't know, 5 or 6 people is going to buy the whole entire funnel. And that's how you can break even from one person, meaning make your money back from ad spend, plus make profit in the same day, in 24 hours, right? Sometimes even in 10 hours after running the ads. Of course, if you have someone who can show exactly how to target those high emotional states and low emotional states audiences, very important, right? The language patterns are very important. Are you promoting product to a person who is 30 years old or 65 years old? Okay, the mind shifts are different, so you have to be aware of that. Okay, now if you have failed before, it's not your fault. I know how it feels. It's not your fault. But what you can do now is you can make excuse again why you cannot do this with affiliate marketing right now as you watch this video, or you can take action now and start generating really, really great results. Okay, now you can see how we do it, okay, together. Now the most important thing is the 2 steps to $10,000 per month. Okay, we launch a simple affiliate campaign in just 20 to 30 minutes per day, and once it's set up, that site can generate between $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Now imagine working 20 to 30 minutes per day and getting 5, 10,000 or even 15,000 US dollars or more per month as an affiliate. Okay, so promoting everyday products online can be even with Clickbank, right? So as you watch this video, if you want to get results, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number in the description below. There's my Instagram, as you can see over here. Okay, you can connect with me here. So everything is in the description below. Now, you can follow me, you can DM me, but only if you're serious. I have my Facebook Messenger. There's also a free Facebook group. The link is in the description below. And also my email where you can reach out to me. So entirely up to you. Okay? But just keep in mind, if you want to get results with Google pay-per-click affiliate marketing in 2025, you need someone who can show you the right strategy, plan, and the way on how to really make it in 2025. So as you watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.